I think last class we were doing some sales order in our previous class. So, and happy Holi to everyone. So we are done here, right? 6th March, 7th was holiday for us. So, so we are going to complete today the whole list. Okay. System is not responding. So we are doing the sales order. Okay. Last time. So this sales order, what happened is the unit price has crossed the limit. Okay. The overall total price net amount. So once it crosses the overall limit, then it will be sent for the credit management team. So this tab got enabled here. We have enabled this tab. So now this sales order will be reviewed by the credit management team. So credit management team, what does it do? It just goes and opens this whole system. See, this is the line. They will review. They'll review, and if they want to reject, they can reject. They can write the reason. So reason is not able to see here. Release reason. Okay, we are not able to see. Okay, let's do one thing. Let us try to add the reasons. So just duplicate the screen. Go to create and collections. Create and collections setups. You have credit management reasons. You have credit management reasons. Okay, just open this. So just go to new. So to release means to release. You're not getting any option, right? Okay, release. You can you can write some reason for the release. Okay, uh, as per agreement. So we have some agreements, right? So basing on the agreement terms, we are releasing. So some reason you can write. If you are keeping on hold on quality issue. So you can write the here terms. Just go to the other tab. Go to reject. If you want to reject, now you can see here agreement terms. If you want to release also, you can see the same agreement terms. Okay. So as per the agreement terms, you are releasing this sales order. Okay. Now, so once you release this, it will asking with or without posting. At the time of generation of the picking list not being created. Instead, it was sent to the credit management review team. Okay. So it is asking when credit management team is trying to release the credit hold, then it is asking, do you want to post the picking list now? If you are going to generate the picking list now, then picking list will be generated right away. Or if you want to post without posting the picking slip, the what happens? The finance people or salesperson will do the posting of this picking slip. Okay. So some other people are going to do the posting for this picking slip. Okay. So what I do is with posting only I will do. Instead of doing some other finance persons, I will only do the posting. Okay. Okay. Posting has been completed. Just close this. And from here, the regular process. Okay. Pick and pack registration has been done. Okay. Okay, picking slip has been generated. You can now go to registration. Now you register it. Update. Update all. So from here the regular process follows. Okay, it has been updated. You can see the packing slip here. 1 minute. It has been updated. Okay. From here, the regular process follows. Okay, it's not got updated. Let me check. Come back. It's completed is showing here, right? Completed. Update has been done. Status is completed. Total and the picked is 10, right? It's showing as it has been picked 10. That's fine. So everything is good. Oh, we have posted there itself in credit management, right? The list. Release it this one. Okay, let us see. Yeah, picking registration. Updated. Save. Close. Okay. So let me check this why it is issue, creating an issue actually. Quantity is not picking. So there may be some. Yes. So keep it like this. Let us move to other topic instead of wasting time here. So it's we are unable to generate the invoice there. Let us see the reason. So apart from this, we are going to jump into new topic. I'll get back to it later. So new topic is in credit management only, credit and collection only, collection letters. collection letters. So in collection letters we have some 9 steps to complete the collection letters. So first step is collection letter means whenever the customer is not is unable to pay the amount, then what we are going to do, we are going to send him some letters. We call these a dunning letters. Means it's a reminder letters that please pay the amount as the due date is nearly approaching. So the letters which you are sending, the letters will be based on the due date and performance of the customer. So if he is not paying, then we write some harsh letters. If he is like he is a good customer, then we just plead him to pay the amount before the due date. If he is still not paying, we go for the warning, go for the taking the legal action. So the intensity of the letters are going to increase basing on the performance of the customer. So there are some basic setups which you are to be done before. We'll just set all the setups and we'll slowly go and do the configuration one by one. So first we are going to define the aging period definitions. This first step we are going to define here. Okay, to define the aging period definition, so I will write, if possible, write everything here itself. Second is collection letter sequence. Third step is we are going to map collection letter sequence in customer posting profile. Fourth, enable customer letter sequence functionality. So we should enable this basically where to enable in customer map collection letter sequence in customer posting profile. Check enable letters functionality customer. Yeah, this is also posting profile on, yes. Then we have aging snapshots. Sixth. Then we have do some setups in accounts. Parameters. Then let's post some backend invoices. This is the testing part. We will do it. And let us check how the system is creation of collection letter and let us post the collection. So these are the topics now we are going to see how does we do these things in our system. First, aging period definition. So if we want to, run aging period for a customer, it means whenever item is sold to the customer, how much time or the age has been passed, or since how many days payment, customer payment has not paid even after the due date. We can also analyze in the coming period how much payment is going to be made or received overdue. We can see all these details in the reports. So to do this first thing, we must have to go to credit and collection, setups. We have aging period definitions. Okay, these are the aging period definitions. Now what we do is, let us create a new aging period definition. So let us create buckets called 0, 30, 60, 90, 120. Otherwise, let us keep it as 0, 25, 70, 90. Okay, we have created these 4 buckets. If you want, you can create never, but basically it's some 4 to 5 buckets. Okay, just copy here. Automatic system will create down, paste. Okay, just save. You will come back here. Okay, next go to credit and collections parameters. In collections, map here the aging period definitions. Okay, we have created this one. This is the second step we are doing. Okay, third, these are collection defaults, right? Just save this. Now, so basically aging period is used to run the reports. So now what we do is just save this, come back again to credit and collections. In credit and collections, aged balance. Okay, collection aged balance. So this is the, so you can't say anything because at present, at this moment, what is the aging balance need to be received from the customer. So these are buckets which has been generated is blank because there is no overdue from any customer till now. Okay, to get the aged balances, we should run the periodical batch job. After running period job, you can get the lines filled. So we don't have any pre old dated entities like invoices. So let us do one thing. I will do one thing. I will just show you the same in a uh, USMF. You can show, because there are many post dated invoices are there. We can pull the report here. See here, we are unable to see the report here. Collection aged balance, it is blank because we don't have any old invoices. But once we go and pull any report in, see here in USMF there are many reports are there, right? Many post-dated invoices are there. So this is the buckets they have created: 30 days, 60 days, 90 days. You can see it. Just select one company. So this is how it is going to film is basing on the age of the invoice. It is going to update in the particular bucket. Let me update the aging. So this is how it is going to fill. Okay. Now next we still we have some setups here. Just for your understanding purpose, I had shown this. This is how it is going to be filled. Okay. We have here aging. These are balances it is showing, but we can also see how many invoices are pending at particular period. So next setup will what we do is go to credit and collections, payments. In payments, what we do is we have periodic tasks. In periodic task, we have aged customer balances. Okay, just open this. Now system, we don't have any invoices, but system will calculate here the aged balances for our customer. Means it is going to calculate the number of days the invoice has been past due and payment is not yet paid to us. We create one snapshot. Okay, we created a snapshot. Next, collection letter sequence. You must have to set up the collection letter sequence. Okay, collection letter sequence. To set up the collection letter sequence, go to create and collection. In create and collection letter will be there. Set up collection letter sequence. Go to new. So what we do is we are going to collection letter. Let us write collection letter CL. Okay. Collection letter sequence. Terms of payment. Basing on the terms of payment, it is going to get updated. So I'll just keep it as cash on delivery. Otherwise, I keep it blank. Okay. Now under overview, we have the collection letter. So just drill down collection letter 1. Description. What is the description we can write here? Gentle reminder. Means very politely. Gentle reminder. So it's for it's before due date, right? There will be no fees. What is the main account? There is no main account. Okay, so minimum overdue balance 0, days is 0. Okay, keep it like this. I'll write collection letter 2. Okay, it's like bit harsh. Okay, reminder, since it the fees is 100 rupees. Sorry, main currencies. Let us write this. Small mistake, system will throw an error. Other revenues. Let us map to this. Other interest income. Okay, what is the fees? Means fees is nothing but these are stamp charges which we are incurring to send the letter to the customer. Okay, so minimum overdue, maximum overdue you can write, otherwise you can leave this column. Okay, so days has been passed. We are just giving after 5 days we are going to send this reminder letter. Okay, we are given 3 days grace period. After 3 days we are given 2 days. On fifth day we are sending this letter to the customer, and this fees is to be paid by the customer. That is the reason it is a revenue for us. Okay, third letter, third collection letter is, it will be warning letter. Okay, warning letter will be 500. Means nearly 10 days has been passed and still he is not paying the amount to us. Let me let us keep this warning letter for 30 days. Okay, again another letter, correction letter 4. So what happens, still is not giving any reply, paying us the amount, then we are going to take legal action. Then the will be, it will be 1000. It's 50 days. Okay, so note, we have down note here. If you want to write any note here, you can also write here. If you please settle balance, otherwise legal action will be initiated. So you can write for each letter, you can write some notes. Means letter body you can write here, and you can warning, and you can attach to this letter and you can sell it. Okay, now just save this. We are done with this. Now map the customer letter sequence in the customer posting profile. So we are just created the collection letter sequence. Now we are going to map this. So where is customer posting profile is setups, customer posting profile. Okay, here what we are going to do is, see, we can map here in customer customer in credit and collections module. Otherwise you can also do this in accounts receivable module. Here you have customer portion. Both are same. You can go either way. Okay. Both pages are same. This is USMF, right? Sorry. Both pages are same. Here what you are going to map the collection letter sequence here, which you had created. Just save now. Save for now. Okay. Now we are done with this step also. This step is enable customer letter sequence functionality in customer posting profile. So in customer posting profile, in table restrictions, collection letter you should enable this. So it is already enabled. Collection letter it is been enabled. Actually in our new environment, everything will be in disable mode. Okay, you just come on, you must have to enable this option. Interest also I'm enable right now, automatic. So you can basing on the requirement we are going to do these setups. So unless you enable this option, system is not going to calculate the collection letter sequence. So it's so important. This toggle is very important. Okay, so for your information, accounts receivable parameters, collection, map or this thing we have here, collection. So create collection as per transaction, not per in USMF it is as per customer. Let us keep it as per transaction. Okay. So keep it is transfer. Each transaction wise system is going to calculate the collection letter not by the customer but as per the transactions. System is going to show you the aged balances. Okay. So we don't have the old historical data with us. We are not have any old data. So that is the reason we are unable to do the transaction here. But I can show you the same in other company. How does it work? Means I can show you here itself otherwise, but system may not capture because we don't have the old data, but still we can try here itself if you want. In accounts receivable, what do you do? Go to invoices. In accounts receivable invoices, go to free text invoices, create new customer account. Okay, the everything is so here you must have to change these due dates here. Let us keep as 2022 March. Invoice 2022 October 1st. Okay, let us post some pre-dated invoice. Okay, means how much date is coming? It is coming more than 90 days. So in our bucket it is going to show the last bucket is going to get updated. Okay, now because of this due date, main account, sales others, quantity 1, unit price is 1000. Okay, now we are going to post. Now what do we do is, now let us duplicate this screen. In the meanwhile, let's go to create and collection, aged balances, collections, aged balances, in aged balances. Okay, see, these are the aged balances for the customer. It does not get updated here. Okay, what is the issue? Exchange rate type, free deduction processing, an exchange rate cannot be found for rate PP. Currencies in INR and USD. Oh God. Daily new error is coming. You've done it. Why it is showing like that? I really. INR and USD, right? INR and USD. You have done it. Why it is showing a INR? Is there right here already? There is there actually. System is again throwing its odd way. System is behaving. Oh yeah, USSI. Oh sorry, I mean this short to see. Sorry, sorry. I'm into other USSI. I'll just close this. Okay. I was searching somewhere else in other company. General ledger. General ledger. Currencies. Currency exchange rates. Okay. 7423. And what is the error it's showing? Prediction wise, PepsiCo company INR to USD is not there. INR. Already is there, right? Reciprocal action at the same time. Already is existing. Okay. We are not mapped in these accounts. Okay, we have done this setup. Go to ledgers, ledger, map these accounts also, but still if you do also, system will not accept because you have done these configurations in middle of the transaction. But still, let us try. Now post. See, system will not accept if we do the changes in middle. 10/1/22. Oh, we have selected these dates, right? It is throwing an error because we have formed the company only on 23. It's posting invoices back, and that is the reason it is showing an error. Got it. Okay. So I do one thing. I try to post this in some other company. Process is nothing confused. These are the steps only. We are still here only. I'm just trying to like show you the effect each and every step. How does it be at the front end? I want to just trying to show you the effect. That is the reason I thought of showing this step. What is the effect once you do this setup at the front end? So that's the reason I was trying to post, but I took some very old date. For that date, our company is not yet found. That is the reason system is throwing an error. Sorry, process is simple. Create 1, 2, 3, 4. We are at this step. Okay, I'll just explain once again. No issues. I'm just trying to, in this step, I want to show you the effect. How does it going to reflect at each and every step, such that you will have an clarity in the process, but you are losing the clarity. Okay, let me show you here. So we can directly go to the aged balance, create and collection, collections, aged balances. In this company, it has not been there. Many of them don't use this USSL. Let us try to see here. See, you can see here the buckets which has been open. So here they had done the setup actually. Each customer wise they had taken the updated the buckets. Okay. So now let us do one thing. Let us go and update the bucket. System will update the these buckets. Okay. Okay. This has been updated. So just try to update. System will update these buckets. Okay. So now what we do is come to our PepsiCo company. We are at this step. Okay. Enable customer. Okay. So come to credit and collections. Let's go to This step I was trying to show aging snapshots. Okay. So come to create and collection. In create and collection, we have your option create collection letter. Yes. As of today. Okay. Okay. So your system has generated some collection letters for us. To see these collection letters, go to create and collections, collection letter. In collection letter, review and process the collection letters. So you can see the collection letters lines created. You can also see the collection fees. But we don't have any post dated entries. That is the reason system is not showing you. But I can show you in USSI this thing. So go to create and collection letter. So I'm just showing in other company because you have some historical past data. Basic what system will generate the letters for us. So today let us go and check in this company. Go to creation letter, and collection letter, review and process collection letter. Now you can see here the lines. In this company also there are no past data. Okay. GIT company. Okay, let us connect tomorrow. I will explain you once again from first because I think you people got confused. Okay, no issues. Collection letter, date, posting profile. You don't see many companies don't get into this module. That's the reason you are unable to see the data anywhere. They are unable to see the creator management model. They are not configured in these companies. That's the reason we are unable to see this. Let us try. See, it's not also configured here. Interest payment. Okay. Return collections review process. Now you lines. Yes. See, you can see the lines posted. So if you just open one review and process collection letter. Okay. Now you can edit. So you already posted this one. Okay. Means nothing but you're posting the collection letter. It has already posted. You see posted, you can see the posted. Means you have generated the collection letters. Now you can send this collection letter to the customer. Okay. How do you send this collection letter to the customer? Means everything is been it's created. Okay. Just open this collection letter. Okay. So this is the address of the customer. He has not paid to us the amount. Okay, this is a transaction and issue collection letter, and this is the balance he should pay to us. Collection letter 1 has been generated by the system. It's a formal letter to him. Notes, we are not write anything. That's the reason we can't say anything here. If you want, you can write here now also. Okay, and you post it. Posting means you are just posting this letter to the customer. Now customer is going to receive this formal letter that please pay the amount before the due date. Okay, now we are posted this letter. Operation is complete. So what can do, we can print this collection letter note and send it to the customer physically, otherwise to the mail. Okay, so okay, operation is complete. Now we have posted this. If you want, you can print this collection letter note and collection letter. Whatever you want to print, you can print it. If you want, you can send it with a physical copy. You can send it physical copy. Okay. This is the collection letters. I will explain you again tomorrow. Okay. Very simple steps. Okay. You posted the collection letter, creation, posting. See here we got stuck actually. Posting some backend invoices. We don't have any backend invoices with us. That is the reason we are unable to generate anything. But still, I will explain you once again. Don't worry regarding this. Okay. So it fixed asset. Can we switch into fixed assets? Credit and collection. The thing is that this credit and collection, nobody touches these modules. These are some isolated modules which, if you learn, it is always an asset to you. So very small, very. You are done with our credit and collection module. The credit and collection module is over. Another one topic is there. Interest classes. We can close it tomorrow in half an hour. So we are done with the credit and collection module. We are done with this module. So I will explain once again tomorrow in some other company, USSR, USMF, and I will explain in fastly and also the interest note, and we can jump into the fixed assets module. Okay. So that's all for today. We'll connect tomorrow. Okay. Bye.